In this video, I will show you our new cycle, the helical thread drilling milling. You can find this new cycle in the drilling category called helical thread drilling milling. With this new job, we have also implemented a new tool, the helical thread drill mill. In the past, it was very difficult to program threads in a single operation with tools like this. These tools combine drilling and thread milling in one operation. For the collision check with the component model, only the core diameter of the drill tap is taken into account. You can also use this job with our features. I go to Features and select those which I want to use. As you can see, the contours have already been selected. The options in this job look very similar to other drill jobs, especially to the thread milling job. Let's take a look at the parameters. Here you can see that path compensation can also be used. Under thread, the pitch is locked because it comes from the feature. In setup, the tool check is the same as in the thread milling job. Now I calculate the job to show how it works. As you can see, the thread is completed in a single operation with this type of tool. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.